Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using some new products from Kapri HairCare. I'm going to be starting off with the Hibiscus Splash Leave-In Conditioner, following that up with the Multi-Purpose Oil Blend, and then styling with the Flaxseed Gel. So I'm starting off with the Hibiscus Splash Leave-In Conditioner. This is a very creamy conditioner, definitely moisturize my hair, a great base for styling. The Multi-Purpose Oil Blend is a light oil blend made of peppermint oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. So now for styling, I am going in with the Flaxseed Gel, and when I tell you, this Flaxseed Gel is so bomb. It is moisturizing, it had my curls popping, it's a definite must-have. So for styling today, I am doing small 2-strand twist, so I'll just be repeating these steps throughout my head. Something a little bit different that I'm trying today is I am twisting about 80% of the way down, and then I'm doing a finger coil the rest of the way. Normally I will twist my hair about 95% down and then just coil the end, but this time I'm doing a little more of a finger coil on the end, and the results that I have got, definitely amazing. So I'll definitely be using this same technique for my twist outs from now on. So I'm just going to be repeating these same steps throughout my head, so just continue to watch and enjoy. Okay, so let's just take a minute to acknowledge the fact that this leave-in and oil blend has my curls popping, and I haven't even added the flaxseed gel yet. Definitely need to check out this new line. So let me know in the comments down below, are you team twist out or team braid out? I am definitely team twist out. I haven't gotten the braid out down yet, but I'm working on it. It's a work in progress, but I'm definitely leaning more towards team twist out. I also have started doing some twade outs and I'm kind of feeling those. Just got to work on my braiding technique. So now my hair is all twisted up. I am going to sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes and then just let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown, and these twists look bomb. The coils at the end just set the whole thing out. So I'm going to add a little bit of the oil blend to my hands just to prevent any unnecessary or unwanted frizz. Stretch these twists out a little bit, and then I'm going to unravel. And as you can see, the definition is definitely there. Shine is there, moisture is there. This style is definitely looking promising. This definition though is amazing. So I'm just gonna go in and separate just a little bit further. I did do the twist really small, so I don't have to do that much separating, but I am going to go in and separate about 1 or 2 times for each twist. And of course, you know, I gotta go in with my pick just to do a little more fluffing, making sure that there are no parts showing, and just to add a little bit more volume to my hair. So here are my final results. I am definitely loving these looks. Definitely enjoy using these new products from Kapri HairCare. If you have not tried them out yet, definitely check out the description box below where I'll leave the link where you can purchase these products. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.